This is an axial fan, which is an important accessory on the air radiator. So, customers often ask, can I set other voltages for this fan? Of course, this is possible. For abnormal voltages like 414 volts, we can customize it. For fans like this standard 220 volts, 380 volts fan, there is actually a voltage range available for use. For example, 220 volts. In fact, it can be positive or negative 10%, and a voltage within that range can be used. He can use this standard 220 volt fan with voltages ranging from 200 volts to 240 volts. But for current 50 Hz and 60 Hz are not interchangeable. For example, if you want a 220 volts 60 Hz fan, you must customize it again instead of using a 220 volts 50 Hz